song na kinanta ko po sa Dawat ng Tanghalan. So ang first song ko po is yung pinakahuling kinanta ko sa Tanghalan. So sana magustuhan po ninyo. Sunday morning rain is falling, still some kind of shade, some skin. Why to try to know some moments unforgettable? It's just to be the mold that I am in. But things just get so crazy, living life is hard to do. Now we'll finally hit the road, get up and go if I know that someday you'll lead me back to you. That someday will lead me back to you. That may be all I need. In darkness she is all I see. Come and rest your bones with me. Driving slow on Sunday morning, and I never want to lie. And I will gladly hit the road, get up and go if I do. That someday you'll lead me back to you. I'm going to bring myself back home. That may be darkness she I see. Come and rest your bones with me. Alright, bago ko po ipagpatuloy ang aking pag-awit dito sa harapan, syempre, nais ko po ulit batiin ng happy 7th birthday kay Ayesha Lorraine. Palakpakan naman po natin. And of course, sa pag-advise sa amin dito kay Doc Albert, maraming salamat po. Pagod ako kagad.
Doc Albert, thank you.
Nangyari. So, ang second song po natin is para po sa lahat ng mga in love ngayong gabi. And isa rin po ito sa kinanta ko sa Tawag ng Tanghalan.
Sana all in love. Sana all stranded.
Sino po bang manloloko, lalaki o babae?
Bakla! Yun, ano?
Yung mas malakas, sino po bang manloloko, lalaki o babae?
Lalaki! Bahala ka na kanina.
Bahala na daw ako. Okay lang ba yung mga...
Hello, Magda Cheryl!
Here is something from Ben and Ben. At ito po yung pangalawang kinanta ko sa Tanghalan. Palagi po nilang sinasabi na kapag mahal mo ang isang tao, mamahalin at pipiliin mo siya araw-araw. Kung alam niyo yung song, please sing with me. Come on, guys. syempre once again,